just installed a brand new water pump. Real easy. Didn't have to move much. The second time I replaced it 4 years ago, I replaced it 4 years later. I got to replace it again. Bearings in the water pump went bad, so I had to replace it. Real easy. Don't have to move much. I didn't even have to move this. I got by not moving this. I did not have to move this. I just had to move that bracket back. Alternator bracket, 2 bolts back. That's it. 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Remove the timing belt. Pop out the water pump. And that's it. You're good to go. Put the new one in. As you can see, I got less things in my motor. I don't have the cover on. I leave it like that. It's easy for me to work on. No leaks. Put it right back in timing. See my timing thing there? Timed it right there. Put the timing belt back on. I'm done.